Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Painted Imagination. Please subscribe so you can see all I create. In this video, I will be doing a sugar skull makeup tutorial, and I'm super excited because this is my first in my Halloween series, so stay tuned so you can see all my Halloween looks. Alright, so let's get started. Enjoy! Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so I'm going to start off by applying my Star Blends White with this little small powder puff. I got this from CVS and just apply it to my whole face. Then I applied an eyeshadow primer. This is Elisa Griffith's eyeshadow primer and also Elisa Griffith's powders. So I'm starting off by applying a light yellow. This color is called Sunshine, and I just put it on my eyelids, underneath my cheekbones, in my temples, and also across the forehead, making a U shape. I then moved on to my next color, which is called Aranciata. It's an orange, and I just started to blend it into my yellow. I applied it first with a popsicle blender, and then I used a fluffy brush to blend it in further. Okay, now moving on to my red, which is called Hotness, and I'm just applying it in the same fashion to blend it all together, making the lines seamless, going from a gradient of light to dark. Now I'm moving on to my next color. This color is called Wine, and it's just a really beautiful dark burgundy, and just, of course, deepening it up a little further. Making sure to go into the temples, underneath the cheekbones, across the forehead, and underneath the chin to make that jawline really sharp. By the way, you can pick up all these colors at elisagriffith.com. Okay, now I'm starting with black. This is called Blackness. And I started to create this cheekbone shape, and I decided I didn't like it as much, so I moved on. You'll see me later. But right now I'm just going around the eye to create those eye sockets and blend it all together. Alright, off camera I applied some eyeliner, eyelashes, and lipstick, and now I'm starting with the nose. I'm using Wolf Black here and just creating the skull nose by filling in the bottom and bringing two lines coming up connected by the center. I then placed those same shades right on top of the black. Okay, I'm creating the cheekbone here by making a swirl, just following those colors and creating a straight line to go in between the lips to create that top shelf of teeth. I'm shading down with the black powder underneath that line and then just flicking up for the teeth. And now I'm starting with the circles around the eyes. I'm creating some larger dots, getting smaller as I go into the corner of the eye, and then taking a shading brush and just blending in the bottom of those circles. Alright, I created this design just off of the top of my head, and so you can see me make some swirls and then take them off and then make some more. It's fun to just create sometimes off the top of your head. Okay, so I did the same to the other side, and now I'm starting to create the bottom row of teeth. And like I said before, I will be eliminating those swirls. I didn't really like them as much. I decided I wanted to make this little area all black, so I just filled it in and then put the color back. Just know it's okay to make mistakes. You could always take it off and change it. It's the best way to learn. Now I'm creating some flowers. I'm taking that same Sunshine powder and placing a little circle in the middle of the forehead, and then taking my Autumn Arctic Cake and creating 3 petals coming down. I used the darker shade in the Arctic Cake to outline the petals, and I did the same for the chin. I started to add some line work here and just get creative. I just went with the flow to see how it felt, adjusted things as I went. Alright, so I just darkened everything up, and now I'm using some gold glitter in the center of the flowers and also on my eyelids. And I'm going to take my DFX white and just add some embellishments on top of the black dots and some of the black teardrops and do my finishing touches. Alright guys, so I styled my hair and decided that my neck needed a little color, so I just filled in with all those shades I used on the face, and that was it. Alright guys, so that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed my sugar skull makeup. I had a lot of fun doing this and I'm super excited for Halloween, my Halloween looks. I love Halloween, it's my favorite time of year, if you couldn't tell already. Alright, so please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you. Bye.